Hello, Inspire artists! Today's video is very special. We will be drawing Akobi, a baby pygmy hippopotamus that was born on April 9th of last year at the San Diego Zoo. He was the first pygmy hippo successfully born at the zoo in over 30 years, so this was a very happy moment, especially for his mother, Mabel. Here's the photo we will be referencing today. To follow along and draw Akobi with me today, you'll need the following materials: a piece of paper, a pencil, a black marker, an eraser, and crayons. I'm using pink, purple, blue, green, and brown. Let's begin by lightly sketching out the basic shapes. Start by drawing a horizontal line about 3 fingers from the bottom of the page. Like so. And 3 fingers above that, draw a circle about the size of a $50 coin. Then, draw a penny-sized circle intersecting the larger one like this for his snout and head. Let's add 2 curved lines for his body. Draw them till the horizontal line, and that will be the top of the water where Akobi is peeking out. Great! Hippos are infamous for their big grins, so let's give one to Akobi. Referencing the photo, I draw a sort of fat, sideways 3 shape like so, bring it up to the side of the little circle, then add another bump. And he has his mouth open a little, so let's draw that too. Then I draw his chin and his snout, basically indicating a connection between the head and the body. Be sure to add some nostrils. Now, onto the eyes. The eyes of hippos sit right above that last part of their mouth. You can give them whatever kind of eyes you'd like, more round and realistic or more cartoony like I'm doing. Up to you. Then I draw his ear, a slightly pointed ovular shape with a fold in the middle. To finish off his head, I'm going to add a little bump on the left side of his face to indicate his other eyebrow. He is looking at us at a 3/4 view, so we can just barely see the other half of his face turning towards us. Next, a hippo isn't a hippo without being fat and wrinkly. So, taking inspiration from the photo, add some rolls to our handsome baby boy. And that completes the drawing phase. Go ahead and outline everything, except the guide circles, in black marker. Once everything is outlined, erase your pencil lines carefully. Nicely done! Let's move on to color. Now, you'll notice some white spots on Akobi's skin. Since he just got out of the water, his skin is still wet, and thus reflects a lot more light than if his skin were dry. To mimic this effect, I'm using my brown crayon to outline the spots that reflect the most light, likely coming from the sun high above. I put some on his face, some on his rolls, and one down his back. Once you're done, fill in your hippo completely with brown except for his eye, mouth, and part of his ear. And the reflected spots, of course. If you have white paint or a white gel pen, you can also add more detail to the reflections on his skin with that. Since Akobi is half submerged, let's color a reflection as well on the surface of the water. I just make some horizontal lines in the rough shape of our hippo as if you were standing on a mirror. Then I fill in his ear and mouth with pink. I also wanted to add a little dimension to our hippo, so I used this purple crayon to add some shading. I I find that using a red, blue, or purple to shade really makes your art pop, instead of just using black or a darker color. Great, let's move on to the water. I just went crazy here. I used my green to create ripples and swirls, then filled the whole bottom half of the page with a light blue. And I decided that outlining the water as if it were the horizon line with a few ripples would make it look really nice, so I got my marker out again and did just that. I also darkened the hippo's reflection a bit. And with that, we're all done! Great job today, everyone! Look how cute Akobi came out! If you are ever fortunate enough to visit the San Diego Zoo, don't forget to say hi to the hippos! Alright, till next time, folks. Bye-bye!